Alright, so it's time to get back working on this thing, and I guess probably today we'll start with putting the front end on jack stands, take off the tires, check out the CV axles, see if that's what's making it shake really bad when we're driving, and then check out the shocks, because the front end is kind of riding like a boat, and probably look around, see if the radiator is actually what's leaking, or hoses to it, or what all that is, possibly start taking that apart. We'll see what we have time for today. Finally. So, now that we have it off, we take a look down in here. You can see that that boot is completely ripped. You can see where that thing is ripped, but everything is just covered in oil or something. All up under there. All of this. Alright, so we can take a quick look over everything we did. So we pulled out both headlights. That one was a little bit of a pain. Took off the front bumper. We also took out these inner wheel well pieces right here that cover this. Thankfully, on both sides there's these, so even though they're pretty cracked and destroyed, we can just replace those simply, and the rest of the wheel well liner will be okay. Other than that, under here in the engine bay, it looks like there's getting coolant all over. It does kind of look like it's coolant, and our radiator right in here and behind here on the other side is kind of separated. So I knew we had a coolant leak, but it looks like that's probably what that's gonna be. Might have to do a little bit more looking into that though, just to make sure nothing else is leaking. Alright, well, I guess that's it for today. I have to head out, but I guess we'll get back working on it tomorrow and see where we go from there. Alright, well, it's the next day, so let's get back working on this thing and see what we can get done. Alright, well, here's how the door lines up right now. It's got this big crack, it sticks out quite a ways, so let's see if we can just adjust that thing and make it sit properly. Alright, so it's a lot better. It's not perfect, but it's a little bit warped up here, comes out further than down here. So it is a lot better than how it was though. So I guess that's how it'll be for now. Alright, well, we finally managed to get that huge thing out. And it's looking pretty good. Had a couple dilemmas, but managed to get it. So I guess keep on working. Alright, so I'm pretty sure this switch is bad. So just for the sake of it, I'm gonna run over to my Jetta and grab the switch out of that one, which obviously works, and see if that fixes it. Let's see if it works. Alright, let's see if it works. Well, we fixed half the problem, but obviously not all of it, because the driver's side window still doesn't work, but most of the other ones didn't either. So it means we still have a problem, but it's possibly just in this door. Not sure. I guess we'll go stick this back in my car. Alright, well thanks for watching. That's going to be the end of today's video. If you'd like to subscribe, that would be a big encouragement and a big help. We got quite a bit done and I'm pretty satisfied with it. So let's see what we can get done next time. Hopefully it'll be a lot better.